Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla. If this is your first time here, yes, we got balloons. I bought a few balloons for the backdrop because I thought it would be cute with the whole birthday theme. So Kylie just launched her birthday collection and I love a theme. It makes buying makeup fun. I just live for it. Like, I don't really want to see the same old packaging all the time. I like a cute little theme. Let me show y'all the PR package. Ooh! I like to show everyone this just because you can kind of see everything like laid out. I love this. This whole red cup, 21st birthday, finally able to drink. I just think it's super cute. The packaging is adorable. I love it. And I don't think you need to be like a Kylie fan or fanatic to think it's cute. Like, I'm sure her fans are like going crazy, but I just think the whole idea is cute. We like it. The birthday palette called Sipping Pretty, and I've kind of like swatched it and played with it so much. Comes with 21 eyeshadows. No, the names aren't on the front yet. You guys know how I feel about that. They're on the back though. You can see them right here. I just like them on the front. It just looks fancier. But you can see there's just like a ton of shades in this palette. You have your neutral browns, your bronze colors, pinks, grays, blue. It kind of has like a little bit of everything. So you'll see me try that on. I may or may not have it on right now. The collection also comes with the liquid lipsticks in a mini set, which is cute for like a gift. You know, if someone's turning 21, you want to give them a little gift. That's cute. Or a stocking stuffer. Is it Christmas yet? I don't know. You also get, yeah, you can get this. You can buy it as a set or separately, but it comes with 3 liquid lip kits. I believe they're matte lipsticks. They're all matte, yeah. So 3 lip kits. I know there's so many products up in here. A lip set, and I believe this is one with the red cups on it. So you get all 3 of these. So these are 2 liquid lipsticks and a gloss. You also have here 3 liquid shadows, which you'll see me apply this later on in the review. So these are similar to like the Stila liquid shadows where you can wear them by themselves or as a base. 6 matte lipsticks, and I believe some of the products are repeat colors. Let me see, I don't think the lipsticks, but maybe in the liquid lipstick set there might be a couple repeats. And then I think for the most part these are new, but these are kind of like balloon birthday colors. It's cute. I love it. All right, so the last product in the collection. Oh wait, okay, it's not the last. Wait, hold up. We got a bag. Okay, you can get a bag with Kylie all over it. I have a few of her bags. They work well for traveling. I have like so much makeup. My makeup wouldn't fit in this, but like you could throw this, you know, in your luggage, put some makeup up in there. All right, so the last product, the one that I am the most excited about is the highlighter. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. Well, yeah, I do. I love highlighters, that's why. So I cannot wait to try this. And I like that it's pink and black. There's a mirror, it's super simple. I like that it doesn't look like silvery. So that's why I'm excited to try it. And yeah, that's pretty much the entire collection. My birthday is next month, so I kind of feel like this is like my birthday collection too. No, it's not, but you know what I mean? Like, I'm all about birthday vibes right now because my birthday's next month. Virgo, Team Virgo. Birthdays just put me in a good mood. All right, now that you guys have seen the entire collection, you've seen the PR box, you've seen it all, in this video, I'm going to give you my first impressions of the products. And then at the end, I'm gonna let you know if it's worth buying or if there's a few products worth buying, if the whole thing is worth the splurge. You're gonna find out. So let's get started. What to do? So I really like this pink color right here. The names are on the back, so I'm not even gonna attempt to try and figure it out, but I am just drawn to this hot pink, and I don't think I film with pink enough. So we're gonna use just our fluffy brush and apply the pink in the crease. I'm kind of like blotting it on first to prevent fallout, and then I'm just gonna go back and forth. Sipping pretty. Oh, what was that? Oh no. Like, where are we going with this tutorial? We don't know yet. I was looking at this palette before I started filming, and I was just like, what am I gonna film? What am I gonna film? And of course, like, there's a rose gold in here that I'm just like, oh my god, it's so pretty. This color is actually really nice. But you know, I always do colors like that, so I'm like, I'm gonna do something different. And now I don't know where I'm taking it. It's cool though. It's cool. We gonna figure it out. We gonna take the journey together. All right, next I'm gonna go in with this deeper kind of magenta shade. Yeah, that's what we'll call it. I'm gonna apply this in the crease. So right now I'm just kind of like building the crease, and I'm using my Zoeva 231 brush. I like that Kylie named the palette. You know, like this is cute. Like little details like that make collections like cute and fun to buy and fun to use. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I think I'm gonna add black to this. I don't know. I really just feel like getting a little dramatic with this look. I'm also gonna apply this shade on the outside and the inside of my lid. I think we're gonna do like a little bit of a halo effect up in here. So curious to see how this black is gonna look. This one, right here. I'm like trying to fit this big old palette into the shot is hard. I'm using the same brush, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on the outside of the lid and in the crease. I'm only gonna use like a little bit because I don't want my crease to look completely black. I just want it to be a little darker, bring a little drama. So far, these colors are blending really nicely together. Like I'm not noticing any skipping or like patchwork, you know, because sometimes these shadows, well not these ones, but sometimes shadows will get patchy when you layer them, especially the bright colors. And these are just like blending really nicely. Okay, this tutorial isn't about this brush, but this 231 brush from Zoeva is looking pretty good. I'm just packing on the black shade on the outside and the inside of the lid to kind of help create this halo effect. I am liking this a lot. And I matched the backdrop. Alright, so we're gonna use one of the liquid eyeshadows. This color is called Fine Wine. It's like a iridescent purple. It is cute. So I'm just gonna use the applicator and put this on the center of the lid. I'm gonna see like how it looks by itself. If it's like poppin', then I might not put any shadow over it. If I just want like a little more of a pop, I might add a little more shadow. So I'm just gonna kind of feel it out. Oh, this is cute. This looks super nice. There's another liquid shadow that I really like, the green. I was actually debating between like using the purple or the green. Not with this look, but just like in this tutorial, because the green is like, oh, it's so pretty. You guys already saw the swatches, but like, look at that. Try not to look up because I don't want my eyes to get messed up. Let's see. I'm gonna use my flat brush and just kind of blend it out and see what happens here. Okay, so nothing's really happening. Oh wow, okay, so this is drying super fast. I'm gonna work off of the little applicator and see where that takes me. I'm just cutting the crease a tiny bit. This is like a low-key cut. Honestly, I love how this purple looks on the lid so much. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna add anything to it, but I'm gonna add like a little bit more black just on the outside and the inside to create more of a halo effect. This liquid shadow is like not moving anywhere. I'm gonna line the inside and the outside of my eyes with the shady liner from Dose of Colors. I feel like I was gonna say something else and I like caught myself. That's why I kind of started laughing. Oh, look at that. I'm not gonna wing it, just because I kind of like how it looks, just blended and cute. Using my bullet brush, I'm just gonna smudge black out on my bottom lash line. Make sure to tap off the excess so it doesn't like get anywhere, but I'm just gonna smudge this liner. Smoker. Going back to this fuchsia shade right here, I'm just gonna smudge a little bit on the bottom lash line just so that the crease kind of ties into the bottom here. Oh yeah. I'm actually kind of surprised because there really wasn't any fallout. Ooh. This is the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. I'm also gonna throw on some lashes. Oh crap, I forgot to set my foundation. Ah! It's okay. So typically I set my foundation before mascara. Oopsies. I'm gonna finish off the eyeshadow with Mykonos Lashes from Lily Lashes. These are a little bit more on the dramatic side, and I probably use these lashes like 15 times. Not even lying. I love to reuse lashes. I don't like them new. I like them kind of old, you know? I like them run down. Lash, no lash. Lash, no lash. Okay. I am most excited to try on this next product. This is Champagne Showers, the Kylie highlighter, and it's like a jumbo, I feel like it's like a jumbo highlighter, and it has a golden undertone. Let's see. I'm like, is it golden? Yeah, it's definitely a golden undertone. Let's see here. Ooh, you only need a little bit. Yes. Ooh. Shower me in highlight. I know, I just like to go crazy with highlight. All right, I'm gonna set my foundation with the All Nighter spray. We'll set everything and then add maybe a little more highlight, we'll see. Try to cover my eyes. Oh, I just love how my eyeshadow looks right now. Yes, I do. All right, let's add just a little bit more highlight because I'm a highlight hoe. I kind of am though. I be thotting and bopping through all the different highlights, okay? Like, I don't ever refer to myself as a hoe, but when it comes to highlighters, All right, I'm gonna finish off the entire look with Flirtini Lipstick. This is kind of like a soft pink. It reminds me a little bit of Pink Plaid from MAC. So let's see how it looks. I mean, I feel like I know I'm gonna like it. I love any kind of pink lip, you know? All right, Flirtini in the blue container. I love the smell, the consistency, everything about these lipsticks. Ooh, this is cute. Should I put gloss on? What you guys think? Yeah, let's put a little bit, just a little bit of gloss. So this is Shots, which is, let me see how this is gonna look. Hold up. Is it gonna darken it too much? Let's just try it. I mean, what's the worst that could happen, you know? I do wish her glosses were like glossier. Oh, that's cute. It toned it down just a little bit. And you know, I don't mind a bright little pink lip, but it's fine. I can make do. All right, so here's the finished look. What do you guys think? I'm actually like a little shook by this liquid shadow. Like, I keep looking at it. I feel like in person it looks a little bit more vibrant. I like it a lot. I do feel like it got not dry, but it wasn't as easy to blend once I put it on. Like, I feel like I had to use the applicator to put it on, and once I put it on, it stayed, you know? So it's one of those products that, I don't know, it might be waterproof, but it's one of those products as soon as you put it on and set it down, it's there, you know? Whereas like Stila, for instance, that one you can kind of move around a little bit, but I do like how it looks. There's a few products that I feel like are worth kind of taking a look at. Like, if you were to get something from the collection, the highlighters. I like the highlighters. I always like the lipsticks. Like, I feel like her lips are always like booming. That's like the one thing from the collection that I'm like, I know I can count on every time. Like, okay, the lipsticks are gonna be fire, you know? Look at the pink. So I definitely like Flirtini, Champagne Showers, the liquid, the liquid shadow, and the eyeshadow palette. Did I just like cover everything? I feel like with the liquid lipsticks, we kind of know what to expect, so it's kind of up to you if you like the color or not. I'll probably wear the purple one, to be honest with you, Tipsy. I feel like Tipsy is the one that I'll probably wear after this review because I love purple. The eyeshadow palette was fire. Yeah. You guys know that I just love a good theme. So this whole 21st birthday collection, I think it is just adorable. Like, I wish I knew someone who's about to turn 21 so I can gift them this. You know what I mean? I think it's just super cute. Especially like the Sippin' Pretty. Like, it's a cute collection and I'm here for it. I'm here for the themes, okay? Keep bringing the themes. Thank you guys for watching this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think about, I guess, these more bold looks, because you know, honey, I love my browns. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and last but not least, strut and slay.